am a boy.
You gonna go for a walk?
Stella, you want to go bang?
Morning workout for these.
Bad bitches gon' strip, dope boys gon' trap to this. Keep an eye, I don't lack to this. Somebody might get slapped to this.
This is getting out.
Room service is clearly his life calling.
Here you are with your tattoo.
When your dog is a natural born teaser.
This dramatic husky needed to get a shot.
One more. No se chillón. One more.
Кайф,
I woke up in a new Bugatti. I woke up in a new Bugatti. I woke up in a new
Just hold him. Don't try and pick him up. Down. Okay.
He's not.
Okay.
He's heavy, but I handle giggles.
Excuse me.
The average reaction of kids when parents say no.
Bark at your dog.
Roof!
Kai.
They say ignorance is bliss, so don't worry.
Hey boy. What's up?
Go, Kylie, go. Good job.
You still had to say, okay, Mom.
I did your baby. Oh, Kylie, you're doing amazing, sweetie. Wow, look at her go.
Billy, careful. Billy.
Quincy, we are going on a road trip. Woo! Yes, absolutely.
React.
Don't be fooled, he's not freeing his friend. His goal is completely different.
He's like, geez.
Stick that they found.
No.
You finna go use the bathroom? Y'all ain't gonna go outside?
It looks like they've reached the age where separate naps are necessary.
And that makes me question getting married. Can you think of me?
Saying hi to the birdie.
These two brothers are absolute pros at swapping roles.
What is your opinion on the current state of the pandemic?
I'm so hungry I can eat a dog.
People on a diet might want to try this method.
Curry, four-time All-Star, but not this year.
He's like a 10, but his eyebrows are just like little dots on his head.
Sleep already, and this dog's taking its time to come up. Okay.
You are. Yeah, shut up, honestly. You're gonna, you know what? Next summer you're gonna be wearing your string.
Oh boy, when digging, you should probably use your paws more than your mouth. Your job is to guard the house, not gossip. Okay, bud?
Force him to eat slower.
You can tell who really owns the house just by looking. Dog be like, I don't remember saying stop petting.
I come home and I pet my dog. You see, petting your dog is one of the most relaxing things you can...
So I can see if there's any funny bits.
He just took the lava game to a whole new level.
Hein? Aqui, ó, comeu o sonho da tua mãe. Hein, Luna? Olha pra cá.
What is in your mouth?
This might actually cure a hangover real quick.
Proof that dogs love baths, just not in the bathroom.
God.
3 ऑस्कर जाएगा लाने मुझे खड़े होकर देखता रहेगा आराम से देख